before the light gets too harsh, I'm going to run up to the upper waterfall that I saw hiking down and try to go up there and shoot that. I believe I'm going to like that one better, but I had to give this one a try. So I'm going to suit up and get back up the hill. Well, I'm not sure how well you can see me, but starting out very early this morning, trying to get to a waterfall before the light gets harsh, and hopefully even include some fall colors. This area can get really crowded, so it's not just the light I'm trying to beat. I'm trying to beat the crowds, so getting an early start. By the time I come walking out, I would imagine there will be hordes of people. So I'm trying to beat the light. I'm trying to beat the tourists and hopefully get a decent waterfall shot. So as you can see, it's still pretty dark, but I got down here in plenty of time, and I've already been able to look at the waterfall and sort of get in my mind the composition that I want to get. So I'll be completely ready by the time the light gets good enough. And there's also another cascade up trail that I'm going to hit on the way back as soon as I shoot this lower falls. So really cool tall waterfall. I'll be shooting it vertically, and it kind of just winds down through these rock formations. It's really beautiful. So I can't wait for the light to get up and to get started shooting. I brought two lenses, the 14 to 24, 24 to 70, because of the distance and the angle that I need to be able to see the water flow. I'm going to be using the 24 to 70. We're going to try that first. I think on the upper falls I might go with the 14 to 24 to get a little better, wider angle. Okay, as you can see, the light's coming up. I've already started taking shots, and obviously these shots aren't going to be any good to use, but what I'm doing is getting my composition where I want it, so when the light does come up, I'll be able to nail it. So, as you can see in the viewfinder, I've got a composition set up, and I'm kind of working back and forth because I want to get this water showing over here to the left, but I also want to keep this nice flow in the foreground where this rock is. So that is a little overexposed, but again, I'm just trying to get the composition. But it's never too early to start working when you get onto a scene, because that way when the light is just right, you'll be ready. And so many shots I've missed because I wasn't ready, whether it's wildlife or landscapes. So I'm going to keep working it here, see what kind of composition I can come up with, if this is going to be the final one or if I'm going to tweak it a little bit. before the light gets too harsh, I'm gonna run up to the upper waterfall that I saw hiking down and try to go up there and shoot that. I believe I'm gonna like that one better, but I had to give this one a try. So I'm gonna suit up and get back up the hill. I'm actually surprised no other photographers are down here. I mean, this is a weekend, and this is a pretty well-known spot, and just surprised that I'm still alone. But I'm sure I'm gonna meet somebody on the way out. But it's a shame no one else is enjoying it. But at the same time, it's very relaxing when you're all alone. Well, as the light showed up, so did the tourists, and it was time for me to head back up the trail. It was great to see so many people out enjoying the outdoors on a nice autumn weekend. But this video speaks for itself. You have to beat the crowds or you will have limited opportunities to get a good image. Okay, I normally don't vlog from the car, but just got back up from the trail shooting the water, and now I'm at a roadside pull-off and trying to get a shot of the mountains here. It's raining pretty hard right now, so I'm just going to wait a few minutes. But I just wanted to give a shout out to a guy I met on the trail. He's just starting out in landscape photography. He's already doing really well, and I love to see people excited about photography. And I'm so sorry, buddy, I don't remember your name. I'm not even sure if I got it, but I really enjoyed talking to you and hanging out with you, and I wish you the best. And like I told you on the trail, give me a shout out, and we'll keep in touch. But I'm going to see if I can get a mountain shot here, and the fall colors are looking pretty decent, and I'll show you that photo if it turns out. If not, I really appreciate you coming along. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time, take care.